Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect geocoding and Softr for address search, beginner guide step by step clearly. To connect geocoding and Softr for address search, start by logging into your Softr account. Once logged in, navigate to the project you want to work on. Locate the settings icon in the top right corner and click on it. Next, find the data source section in your project settings. Click on the option to add a new data source. Select the Geocoding API option from the available choices. You will need to enter the API key for the geocoding service you intend to use. If you do not have one, sign up for a geocoding service like Google Maps or Mapbox and generate an API key. Copy your API key and paste it into the appropriate field in Softr. After entering the API key, configure the search parameters according to your needs. Choose the fields in your database that will be used for the address search. Save the changes to your settings. Now, return to your main project interface. Drag and drop a search input element onto your page from the editor. In the element settings, connect the search input to the geocoding data source you just configured. Set up the display format for the search results according to your preference. Preview your project to test the address search functionality. Enter an address in the search input to verify that the geocoding is working as expected. Make any necessary adjustments based on your testing. Finally, publish your project to make the changes live. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.